My biggest thing that I want to sell this year is wholesale lip gloss and lip gloss bundle bags. Like, I'm really on these bundle bags, y'all. I have so many ideas. So I got some more inventory that came in. So I decided to shoot this video for y'all. So let's get into the video. But before we do that, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button because your girl is about to drop these videos. Period. So everything that you're going to see is going to be from my bundle bags, and you might hear this air conditioner. I don't know why it's acting like that, but we moving soon, so it is what it is. But we're gonna get into this video. First thing I got is these scrunchies, and it's a lot of colors, y'all. It's like a lot of colors. So I got these scrunchies. I got some more headbands. More headbands. I got 2 packs of these little boss keychains. As you know, my name is Boss Lady, period. So everything boss I always get because we all bosses, y'all. So I have them in silver and gold. So I bought 2 packs of those. And then I got these little heart keychains. Whatever. And I bought 2 packs of those. And then I bought 2 packs of these little coin purses. They're cute. And you know, silver is my color, so I had to get them. So I bought 2 packs of those. And then I bought 3 bags of the heart puff balls. 3 bags. Thumbnail. But 3 bags of those. And I am dropping some Valentine's Day bundles. That's gonna be my special bundles. I'm gonna try to do something special every month. But look, guys, aren't they cute? They have like hearts, like all Valentine's Eve, like so cute. And so I bought 2 bags of those. And when I seen these, I thought of doing a Black History Month bundle or something around that. And I have found the cutest, y'all, the cutest little hand sanitizers. Look, y'all, they are adorable. Look, adorable, y'all. Like, I can come out with a kid collection, but adorable. Adorable. So I don't know if I'm gonna come out with a kid collection, but these is so cute and I gotta use them. I didn't mean to get 2 of them, but I did. So that's the end of restocking my inventory. No. And I got 2 bags of these coin purses. My rebrand is gonna be, I think, real dope. I have a lot in store this year. I gotta stop playing and get this money. But to organize everything, I bought these little containers from Walmart, and it's 10 of them. And I don't know if I want to do it by color or do it by like all puff balls or whatever, because I do color bundle bags. So if I do them all in color, I can just pick out what color I want and everything. That color will be in that. I think I'm gonna do it like that. So I got these. I wasn't going to organize my stuff until I move, but we gotta get some stuff together because when I move, y'all, my room's gonna be dope. But I have this little thing that they got out in Walmart now, y'all. It's like you, and it shut tight. I got like 5 of these for my business. And so we're going to see what we're going to do with this. So I'm probably going to organize it with y'all today, just to, you know, organize, or I might stop it. I don't know. But I'm probably going to stop it. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe in the next clip or the next video, I will be organizing my stuff. Probably editing this video because it ain't nothing but 6 minutes. So I'm probably going to be, you know, getting this together, getting the colors and all that stuff. So stay tuned. Alright, so this is how my buckets are. Like, it just has all the colors together. So I think I like it like this. We're gonna try it out. And I just got like solid other colors and then my gold and silver. So like I have to do those, and but I think I like it like this, and I'm just gonna label the colors, but you can see the colors in there. So what do you guys think? What do you think? All right, so we're gonna organize my little container now.